guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. I told you guys in my perm rod set updo video that I'd be using some of the footage to create this dedicated video on how to get thick curly hair into a sleek bun or ponytail. So I have washed and conditioned my hair, as you guys can see, and although my hair may not be the thickest, it's thick to me and it can be hard to get into these sleek buns and things, but I came up with a method that makes it so much more easier. So I am first going to just start by oiling my scalp. This is my Goddess Curls Divine Hair Elixir. I'm going to apply it to my scalp and just rub it in with my fingers. I did it all over my head, but I'm just going to skip past that part because I feel like it's self-explanatory, just to make sure my scalp isn't itching, isn't flaking, and it's going to help promote hair growth. So for this style, I did have bangs left out. If you aren't doing a bang type of style, then do not do this part. But the key to getting a sleek ponytail is to work in sections. I feel like majority of things when it comes to naturals requires you to work in sections, but I don't think people really take that into account when it comes to putting their hair into a ponytail. So I split my hair down the middle. I'm going to work on one side first. Now for my hair and my hair's density, sectioning off my hair into two parts, as you guys can see, works for me. If your hair is thicker, if your hair is longer, then you can definitely do 3 sections on each side. You can do 4 sections on each side, whatever feel like works best for you and your hair. So with the first section, I'm just going to spray my hair on down with some water just to make it obviously much easier to work with. And then I am going to detangle with my Tangle Teaser brush. This is a pretty big section of hair, but I've been using my Tangle Teaser for years and it will get through it, I promise. So I will have the brush linked down below, but I'm just going to make sure it is thoroughly detangled, of course. Now I am going to go in with my Enchanting Moisture Cream from my brand Goddess Curls, and the link will be down below. It's nice, it's creamy, it smells amazing, and it just makes my curls super soft and defined. So I'm going to work that on in. You want to make sure when you're putting your hair into any type of style that it is moisturized, okay? Don't be putting your hair into ponytails and stuff and your hair is dry. So you guys can see the definition that it gives me, just makes my curls pop. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to detangle it one last time. Make sure your hair is thoroughly detangled. Then I am going to just 2-strand twist that section and do the exact same steps all around to the other sections. This is key, you guys. And for me, I looked back at the time and it only took me 15 minutes to do so. It probably would have taken me even less if I didn't have to film and show you guys the angles and do all that stuff. But yeah, not too long at all, and I feel like it's definitely worth it so that I'm not stressed out in the end. Alright, now that my hair is completely sectioned off, it's moisturized, it's detangled, I'm going to unravel all of the twists. So I had 4 sections with twists, so once I unravel, I'm going to have 8 sections of hair. And now it's time to form the ponytail. So I'm doing a high ponytail. You can also do this for a low ponytail as well. It does work that way too. But I'm just going to work it up to the top to where I want it. You can put it as high or low or whatever that you would like. Use my fingers to kind of stretch it up, and also use my brush to just brush it on through and make sure everything is nice, soft, and seamless. And detangled. So I'm just going to continue doing that until I do all of the sections, and it's really, really simple. It's really easy, and doing it this way is going to make sure that you do not have a big bulge in the middle of your head or in the back of your head, because with curly thick hair, it poofs up super duper fast. I know this, you guys. So I promise you, doing it this way is just a lifesaver. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch that process. So now that my hair is nice and sleek, I am just going to add my Eco Style gel to my edges. You can use whatever gel you would like, mousse, edge control, whatever. Apply that to my edges while holding my hair in place. You do not want to let it go, because then it's going to poof up and it's going to defeat the purpose of what we just did. You also can put your hair into a ponytail, not like the perfect ponytail, but tight enough to where your hair is not going to poof up or go anywhere, if you don't want your other hand to just be up there and getting tired and all that. But for me, this works. So now I'm just going to go in and brush my hair with my brush, and I will have this double-sided brush linked down below. It's from Evolve, and I picked it up at Walmart. So yeah, I'm just going to brush it on up, and then I'm gonna put it into a ponytail, you guys, and that's literally it. I just wanted this video to be out there in case anybody ever searched how to get thick curly hair into a ponytail and they've never seen this type of method. So this is what my hair looks like in a ponytail, nice and sleek. The back does have some waves in it, but it's still cute. That it's just curly hair, that's what it does. But yeah, it's nice, it's sleek, there's no bulging in the back. It looks great. So I'm going to continue on and style my hair the way that I would like. You can do whatever you want. You can leave it like this in a nice poof or puff. You can put it into a bun, you can curl it, you can braid it, whatever the heck you choose to do. But that is how I get my hair into a nice sleek ponytail with thick curly hair. Now, I wanted to also show you how I do it on already styled hair. So this was a twist out that I did. My hair isn't dry, it's moisturized and all that, but I just wanted to put it into a puff. So with this, I'm going to be pulling my hair into sections. So right now it's kind of just in a curly fro, and I have to kind of section it off by myself, but I start from the middle, then I go to the sides and add that in, smooth it with my fingers. Pretty much basically the same thing essentially as if I were doing it on wet hair. But yeah, after I do that, I'm going to kind of smooth the back a bit with my brush just to make sure it's nice and sleek the way I want it. I'll add my gel like usual, and for this style I did put my hair into a ponytail rather than just hold my hair. And then I'm going to brush my hair and put it into a ponytail, and you guys will see the finished result. But let me know if this helps you guys out. Have you guys done your puffs, ponytails, buns, or whatever like this? If you haven't and you struggle, I would definitely recommend it. But don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, you guys. Send this to anybody who is struggling that you know, and I will see you guys in another video.